Hi boys and girls. What we're going to do this morning for our grammar lesson is take a look at adverbs that tell when, another time. Remember, these are words that give us an idea of when an action is happening. So I have this sentence up. It says, later, Mickey will know how to act in a crowd. I want to know which word is the adverb that's telling me when this is going to happen. Take a moment, look at the sentence and decide which word would you choose? Which word is the adverb? Now, if you chose the word later, then you are correct because we know that it's going to happen sometime in the future. Later is one of those time order words that also can be an adverb. Now, we have another thing to talk about today in our grammar lesson. This is something that we've talked about before. So up on my computer, I have some sentences, and what we're going to be looking at is commas in a series. Boys and girls, we've talked about how we use commas to separate things in a list. Sometimes a list is called a series. So in each of my sentences, what I did was I highlighted the items that are in the list as well as the commas. We need to make sure we separate each thing with a comma so that we don't think that they're all one big thing combined. So if we take a look at the first sentence, it tells me I saw baby goats, pigs, and chicks. Now we have a comma in between goats and pigs, as well as pigs in the word and, because we want to make sure we know that those are separate items. Those are three different things that we saw. My next sentence tells me pigs eat leaves, grass, grapes, and plums. Again, leaves, grass, grapes, and plums are all highlighted. Those are items in the list. So those are the things that pigs eat, and we separate them with a comma so we know that they're not all the same thing. We have one more sentence. It says to us, pigs, bugs, frogs, and my dog are in the pig pen. Now, all of the animals are separated by a comma. We know that pigs, bugs, frogs, and a dog are all totally different animals, so we have to separate them in the list. Today, when you do your grammar page, you're going to see some sentences where you might be looking for commas or adding in commas where they're needed. I know you'll do great. Talk to you later.